our point of brokenness, regardless of what brokenness is that, ay point ng ating blessing po yan. So we need to have this right mindset pagdating po sa brokenness. Because every time we hear the word brokenness, we are so negative about it because it is filled with pains. Negative or hindi kaya sins. Puno-puno ito ng kasalanan, ng pagpapahirap, ng mga negative things in our life. That's why we just don't like to talk about brokenness. Di ba? But tonight, this afternoon, it's my prayer that we're going to appreciate yung mga seasons ng brokenness na pinagdaanan natin. Because our brokenness is actually a point of our blessing. And why did God allow brokenness in our life? Bakit nga ba kasi hinayaan ng Diyos? No? Kung makapangyarihan siya at lahat-lahat, bakit nga hinayaan na dadaan tayo sa mamatitindi? Because in our brokenness, miracles and God's power would be revealed. Amen. We will never experience the miracle-changing power of God if that person, if you are not going through brokenness.